In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by opening an app called Files that's already on your OPPO. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean section available here. Now select Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Clear. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!